Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 3 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 2 screws on each side of the cover. Pry the cover off the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw. Lift the drive out of the system. Flip the drive over and remove the screw. Disconnect the drive from the latch. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, secure it to the latch by tightening the screw. Flip the drive over and place it back in the system. Install the screw to secure the drive. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.